Good afternoon, and thank you so much for joining us for Local 5 News at 4. I'm Michelle McCormack. How you holding up? Our top story this afternoon are those tough driving conditions, especially for the morning commuters. Local 5's Katie Amrine brings us the stories of people who could not take a snow day.
The winter storm that has impacted northeast Wisconsin is leaving some places with more than a foot of snow. This has led to some pretty tough road conditions.
The roads were pretty slick. There wasn't as many cars in the ditch as I thought there would be, but the roads were still slippery enough for the back end to cut loose a few times on my way up.
While plow crews are working constantly, it may take some time for side streets and back roads to be plowed. Brown County Highway Commissioner Paul Fontecchio says even some people driving on the highway will have issues.
I don't think the urban streets are going to be the big problem. It's going to be those rural, really rural county highways. We're going to be fighting drifting pretty big with this storm. So that's just some of the fights that you're going to have, just being situationally aware of where you're going.
Even though conditions aren't great, some drivers are optimistic the roads will improve by the end of the day.
I think that gives the plows more time to get out. Roads should be pretty good, I'm guessing, but it's just take time going home.
For anyone who must drive out in this storm, remember to go slow, put a few extra feet between you and the cars in front of you, and most importantly, stay safe. From our storm tracker, Katie Amrine, Local 5 News.
Hey, thanks for looking out for us, Katie. So where are we now? Chief Meteorologist Luke Sampe is here with the latest. Hello, Luke.
I've been asking myself that question for a while here, especially the last couple days. We have a glaze of ice on the lens from the snow that moved through this morning, and then we got a period of some freezing drizzle, and so that's why our cameras look like that, and a lot of them actually do. We have some snow. Just light snow shifting through the area. 20 degrees now in Green Bay, and this will continue to shift south and east. This will be the last little bit of snow that we have to deal with. We don't have any advisories or warnings that we have in effect right now. We're not anticipating this to be much more of an impact than what you're dealing with right now. And we do have some clearing, but you got to get all the way back out into Minnesota and Iowa before we'll get into that. So it's going to be a while. So later on tonight, going into tomorrow, we will have certainly some brighter skies. Now, I wanted to show you some of these bigger totals that we could find. Sturgeon Bay, 15.8 inches. Shawano, 15.3. Ephraim had a little over 14. Two Rivers, a little over a foot. Fond du Lac at 11.8. Appleton officially at 11.3. And Omro at 10.8. And we'll show you a few more. Menominee had 11. You can see Green Bay officially at 10.1, but that was at 8 o'clock this morning. I would imagine we've added a couple tenths of an inch on top of that. Wapaka had just underneath 10, and Casco over there in Kewaunee County between 7 to 8 inches on the report. So it's been a doozy of a storm, certainly living up to its billing. Now we will look at some sunshine for the upcoming weekend. That's ahead in the forecast in a few minutes.
All right, and wouldn't you know it, we found a Positively Wisconsin story in the storm. I think you'll appreciate it if you had to shovel your sidewalk or dig out your car today. Local 5's Paul Stino joins us live in De Pere. Hello, Paul.
Hi, Michelle. Yeah, the kids that you see behind me, there's a million things that they could be doing on their snow day. They could be sleeping, they could be playing video games, but instead, these kids decided to go out and help their communities. This is the De Pere shoveling team, a group of De Pere high school kids that go around when it snows and shovels people's driveways for free. The kids tell me they're in the Key Club International at their school, and we're looking for ways to give back. They have been doing this all winter and said they're so happy to be able to help their communities.
It actually feels really good because we know sometimes we'll go to a house and people will just start crying because they're really happy about it. They're just really thankful for everything we do. And it's just a cool feeling to know that we're helping someone out, saving them an hour or 2 hours worth of time, especially with how big some of these mounds are today.
It's a very rewarding feeling because last week we had a lady who actually started crying. She was just overwhelmed with the emotion, and it is a really rewarding feeling.
And the kids told me that they hope they can help to inspire other kids to do other good deeds in their communities as well. But definitely a really, really cool thing that these kids are doing here in De Pere. For now, though, live from De Pere, Paul Stino, Local 5 News.
Really nice to see. Thank you, Paul. The weather, however, made things dangerous for firefighters answering the call in Gresham. This was the scene several hours after the first call came in around 4 o'clock this morning. Just look at the smoke that is pouring from the building along Main Street. Crews were kept at bay for fear the building would cave in around them, and the weather didn't make it easy either. The man who lived in the upstairs apartment got out safely. They think it started in the attic, but really can't get a good look inside yet.
Conditions with the weather was all a hindrance. Had about an hour and a half after interior attack, we pulled to the defense mode. Felt it wasn't safe for the guys to be in. The roof was starting to come down. Just couldn't get to the fire. Had a hard time getting to the fire.
They brought in a ladder truck that helped them gain the upper hand. And this isn't the end of the rescue. The building also houses the Flowing with Kindness food pantry. The firefighters rescued the food inside. It's now being stored at Sassy's Bar across the street. The operator of the food bank told me they might have to distribute from their van for the time being. The Manitowoc Sheriff's Office says it responded to 26 crashes. One of the most serious was last night just before 7 on I-43 south of County Highway Double J. Deputies say a pickup truck pulling a trailer lost control and jackknifed. A semi-trailer following behind the pickup then lost control and also jackknifed. Several cars then crashed and followed right into the trailer. Authorities say speed, visibility, and road conditions all played a role in this mess. An update now on the stabbing at a Green Bay mosque. Green Bay police tell Local 5 News they have no indication that this was a religiously motivated or hate crime. Officers responded yesterday to the Islamic Center on Velp Avenue for a weapons call. They found a 52-year-old man with life-threatening stab wounds. A 22-year-old man is in custody. Police believe the victim and the suspect know each other. Heartbreak in Florida when a reporter is killed on the job. It was part of a larger shooting spree that has shocked the community even more because the suspect is a teenager. Manuel Bajorquez reports from Orlando.
I apologize.
A local TV journalist was overcome with emotion covering the murder of one of their own Wednesday night outside Orlando. Spectrum News 13 says 24-year-old Dylan Lyons was killed. The Spectrum 13 reporter was engaged to be married.
I want to acknowledge what a horrible day this has been for our community and our media partners.
The deadly rampage began near a crime scene where a woman was found shot in her car earlier in the day in the Pine Hills neighborhood. Police say, for unknown reasons, the suspect returned to the scene.
Deputies located two men who had been shot in or near a vehicle. They are a News 13 reporter and photographer who were on the scene to cover the homicide from this morning.
The gunman then allegedly went into a nearby home and shot a mother and her 9-year-old daughter, killing the child. Florida Congressman Maxwell Frost tweeted, "My heart aches for my community and district. We've had more mass shootings than days in this year so far. This does not have to be our reality. I'm devastated." While the community searches for answers to another violent spate of gun violence in this country, police say the suspect is in custody. He's a 19-year-old with a lengthy criminal background.
This is every reporter's absolutely worst nightmare. We go home at night afraid that something like this will occur.
The sheriff says the mother of the child who was killed and the news photographer remain at this hospital in critical condition. He said the first victim, the woman who was killed in her car, was known to the suspect. What is unknown is why he allegedly returned to the scene to target the news crew and that mother and child. Manuel Bajorquez, CBS News, Orlando.
That teenage suspect is being held on a first-degree murder charge, but the sheriff says he expects even more charges soon. Still to come here on Local 5 News at 4, kids going after fake news online. And when we say fake news, we mean the stuff that isn't true. We'll show you how they're doing. Plus, a warning about an eye ointment that is contaminated with bacteria. You're watching Local 5 News at 4. And as we go to break, a look from our Wisconsin Department of Transportation cameras. Ooh, that snow is falling again. Looks like the roads crews did a great job, though, considering all that snow that fell. We've got more news straight ahead.